Chubs. Betty. Bambi. And we're at it again. Morning.
Yeah, look like crap, Joe. Yung pajama pa yung suot ko.
Pajama
No one knows.
Pajama party.
Pajama party.
Now they know.
Hello.
Oh, shut up.
Naka-record.
Oh my God. Okay, we're sitting.
Yeah.
Gagawa akong ng milk.
The doggies are waiting. Hey, do not wait.
So how's your first day at the farm?
Man, I love it. I hear the rooster crowing. Ang ganda, man. It's so... Hello, everybody.
2 out of 5. That's not too bad, right?
That's not too bad.
Yeah. We're just missing May, Millet, and
Chit.
Chit.
One day, we will get together again.
Yay.
Who knows where?
Yeah.
Tanay is the place to go.
Yeah.
Hey, what is that? Stop it. Kulit eh.
Don't be running in front of me, okay? I don't want to fall.
Really? Syempre. Yeah, it's been raining. It's been raining. Yeah.
Are you taking it?
Yeah. Well, stay right there.
Huh?
Stay there. Yeah. Yeah.
Hello. We're in Tanay.
Okay. Yeah, okay. Let's go. Taas na eh. Yeah, see, it's high now. Wala, it's just grass. Yeah, well, no, that one. We started there.
Wow. We're on top of the Tanay farm.
Nice to be here.
Yeah, nice to be here.
Yeah. Really beautiful day.
Beautiful sunny day.
Beautiful Monday.
Yeah, Monday.
Yeah.
And
Beautiful.
and the dogs are roaming somewhere. Thank God.
I I'm just taking a... Yeah, look.
Hello.
There. Yeah. Beautiful. Try it out. Oh. Ants.
Super
Ow.
ganda. Ay, social.
Oh, stay here.
Ano?
There's ants. Ah, there you go.
Wow.
Nice shot.
Shit,
I'm
diba?
being bit. Come on.
I'm so thirsty.
Hey,
Oo.
Bambi.
Daddy.
Hey, Bambi. Come on, come on. None. Yep. Shh, come on, come on. That's why we had this. Hindi pa siya nag-ano.
Ay, shit, ka.
Careful, ah.
Maganda, no?
Ano rin siya?
Yan, ang dami po niya.
Para walang erosion.
Yeah, kamapresyo.
Di ba? Kaya ang lamig eh.
Akala ko na wala na.
See the sound? Look at all the sounds of birds.
I know, I love it.
Hmm?
Every year we travel, it's
Well, you know, after a while, di ba?
I'm so tired. I'm so tired of travel. Joe, what tree is that one? Birds of Paradise ba yan?
Yung mga ibon, no? Huh? Yan, dito tayo. Na.
Hello.
No, you can. Here. Here lang tayo. I show you where the bees are.
They have a bee colony.
Yeah.
That's all it's
Sampalok. Ano siyempre. Bukid. But look at all this santol.
Kasi nila iniisip mo mag-vlog ka dito.
Yeah. Ito, ginawa ni Pinto lahat. Pinaano ko lang. Sinabi ko lang, gato, gusto kong mangyari. Ganyan, ganyan. Okay.